This is what my recording studio looks like right now. Having a water problem. Every so often when it gets particularly cold out, these ventilation pipes condensate and then we get water dripping down here. And it's not a whole lot of water, but you know, it's enough to cause damage to things. So yeah, I think I can still record. I'll have to move that stuff. I had to take the fans down because water was dripping there. It's getting on that blades. I took all that down. I guess I can still record like this. It just won't be particularly sightly. But hopefully that'll calm down over the next 2 days. It's -11 degrees last night, and that's certainly not ordinary.